Before buying a handheld garment steamer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. You might think that all steamers are created equal, but there are hidden problems and differences that can really affect your experience.
Product number 1, High Life Steamer. The High Life Steamer for clothes. Priced at $27.99, this portable handheld design really caught my attention with its large 240 milliliter capacity and strong 700 watt power. If you want a reliable steamer that delivers solid performance for both home and office, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 700 watt power means it generates consistent steam quickly, and the 8.5 foot power core gives you flexibility to reach those tricky areas without hassle. Plus, it can steam for up to 15 minutes on a full tank, perfect for quick touch-ups before heading out. Users have bought over 20,000 of this unit just last month, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, some people complained about it only being usable in 110 to 120V outlets, which limits international travel. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it in the US or Canada, it's not a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you need a compact, effective steamer for home or occasional travel. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty device for commercial use. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the High Life's limited voltage concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its global compatibility. Product number 2, Jack & Rose Travel Steamer. The Jack & Rose Travel Steamer priced at $59.99. This one stands out because it has 100 to 220 volt capability, meaning you can use it anywhere in the world without worrying about voltage differences. If you're a frequent traveler, this is definitely worth a closer look. What makes this steamer unique is its 15-second heat-up time, getting you high-speed steam at a blistering 248 degrees Fahrenheit. It also combines a steamer and an iron in one, with a ceramic heating panel that helps you tackle especially stubborn wrinkles. This feature makes it versatile for all types of fabrics, from silk to denim. Over 20,000 units have been sold in just a month, which indicates it's hitting the mark for many users. However, some reviews pointed out that the steam output isn't as robust as full-sized options. But let's be real, if you're looking for portability, it's a fair trade-off. This steamer still gets the job done quickly, especially in a pinch. This is perfect for you if you travel frequently and need something reliable and compact. Skip this if you only need a steamer for home use, as it's designed with travel in mind. Considering its features, many find it worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize power.
Product number 3, High Life Blue Steamer. The third product is another High Life model, this time in blue, priced at $28.99. What I found interesting is that it shares many features with its black counterpart, but offers a fresh look. If you want a powerful steamer that's easy to use, this is worth a serious look. This steamer also packs a 700 watt punch and can steam continuously for 15 minutes, thanks to its 240 milliliter tank. It's designed for a wide range of fabrics, so you can tackle everything from delicate silks to sturdy cottons without worry. The 9-foot power cord is another bonus, allowing for flexibility when you're steaming. With over 20,000 units sold last month, it's clear this model is a favorite among users. Now, some users mentioned that the instructions could be clearer, which could be a bit frustrating. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. So if you can handle a minor learning curve, you're in for a treat. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, attractive steamer that won't break the bank. Skip this if you want something with advanced features, as it's designed for straightforward steaming. For its price, it delivers excellent value. If you're looking for something that heats up even faster and delivers more steam, this next steamer is a great choice.
Product number 4, Ogham Portable Steamer. Let's move on to the Ogham Portable Travel Handheld Steamer, which is priced at $26.99. Honestly, for a compact steamer, I was surprised by how powerful it is. If you're always on the go and need a reliable wrinkle remover, this is definitely worth considering. This steamer heats up in just 20 seconds and boasts a powerful 1,000 watt output. This means it can handle tough wrinkles in seconds, making it perfect for quick touch-ups. The design is incredibly portable, fitting easily into any luggage, and its detachable water tank simplifies refills. With over 10,000 sales last month, users clearly appreciate its efficiency.
However, some customers noted that the steam might not last as long as they hoped on a full tank. Here's the thing, if you're just doing a quick pass over a shirt or dress, that's not a major issue at all. This is ideal for you if you need something lightweight and effective for travel. Skip this if you need heavy-duty steaming, as it's meant for quick fixes. At this price point, it's an excellent choice for the traveler. Now, if you need a steamer that combines ironing functions, the next product is designed just for that.
Product number 5, DR Flash 2-in-1 Steamer and Iron. We have the DR Flash 2-in-1 Steamer and Iron, priced at $44.99. This one really caught my eye because it combines both steaming and traditional ironing, which is perfect for tackling any wrinkle situation. If you want versatility in your steamer, this is worth taking a look at. With a rapid 15-second heat up, this 1200-watt steamer is powerful enough to handle everything from delicate fabrics to tougher materials. The rotatable design allows you to use it at any angle, which is a game changer for awkward items like collars and cuffs. Plus, it offers 7 different ironing modes. That's pretty impressive for a handheld device, and with over 10,000 sold last month, it's clearly making an impact. However, some users found it a bit heavier than expected. But honestly, if you need a 2-in-1 solution, the weight is a small trade-off for the versatility you gain. This is perfect for you if you want the option to steam or iron in one device. Skip this if you want something ultra lightweight, as it's designed for serious wrinkle fighting. For the features it offers, it's a solid investment.
To wrap it up, here's a quick comparison. The High Life steamer is great for everyday use, while the Jack & Rose travel steamer is perfect for globetrotters. The High Life Blue offers a stylish alternative without sacrificing performance. The OG Home is a reliable choice for quick fixes, and the DR Flash combines ironing and steaming for maximum versatility. Depending on your need, any of these could be the right fit for you, so choose wisely.